So today's video is about a creative way to get free traffic and advertising to your product or service. For those of you who don't have their own product to sell, you can still use this method to promote affiliate products, and I'll show you how to do this in a bit here. But this technique is completely free, and it's something that you can start doing right now to start generating some sales and make money online. With all that said, let's check it out. First, what is Quora? So Quora is an online questions and answers website. Questions are asked by real people and then can be answered by anyone on the internet. So usually if you're knowledgeable in some topic, you'll search Quora for questions pertaining to your area of expertise and then offer some advice, guidance, or answer to their question that they can't find on their own. This is a look into my profile page on Quora. This was an account that I used just to test some theories about web traffic, but I want to show you some interesting results. I named myself the Tiki and I wanted to be a keto connoisseur. So I was selling an affiliate keto product, and I'll show you how I found that in a second. But if you look on this dashboard, it shows that I answered 11 questions. This was just in one day, by the way. 11 questions. I gave myself a nice little profile that talks about my career, and it shows a little recap of all of the answers to the questions. And if you can see, this first question had 35 views on my answer. This question had 12 views. This question had 9 views. This one had 6. As you can see, it goes all the way down for my 11 questions. But there's an easier way to see how many views your answers got. And if you click the profile on the top right here and then stats, and I'm going to go from all time, my questions had around 300 views. So in one day, just a couple hours, I sat on my computer, I was refreshing Quora, and I was answering all these keto questions, and I got 300 total views since that time. That's a lot of eyes on my answers, right? 300 unique people viewing what I had to say, and 300 people that regard me as a possible expert in that field. So how can we use this to our advantage? Well, we should use this opportunity in our answers to sell our own product. So let's look into one of these questions to see exactly how I answered it and how I used it to sell my own product. Okay, we're back in my profile section here. And if we're gonna look at this one, I'm going to click into this question to see exactly what happened. So the question was, once I started keto, how do I know that ketosis has kicked in? And in my answer, I talk about 9 ways where you can tell as a person if ketosis has kicked in. You got bad breath, you start to lose weight, all these other ones you need meters for, but appetite suppression, increased focus and energy, short-term fatigue, short-term decreases in performance. You're probably asking, how do I know that? Well, the thing is, I don't. What I did was I copied this question and pasted it into Google, and look at here, 9 items when it comes to Google. I just read a few articles and I pick and choose. I used kind of my own words and I put it as an answer to a Quora question. So you don't even need to be an expert in these fields in order to participate. You can be a knowledge broker where you find knowledge elsewhere on the web, put it into your own words, spice it up, and then put it into a Quora answer. Same thing for the second question. Would a keto diet cause eczema flare-ups? Could the reason be the higher fat or less carbs, less fiber, or something else entirely? Copy that question, paste it into Google, and look through the first couple of links, see the answers in the article, take what you need, learn a bit, and then answer the question yourself. If you feel bad taking someone else's answers, you can always reference them in your post, in your answer. You don't have to pretend that you're an expert. In this one, I did pretend, but I was just testing things out. If I was going to do this seriously with a long-term account, I would definitely reference the sources that I used. So keep that in mind. Now, as you can see in each of these questions, I use the phrase the keto diet, and there's a few reasons why I did that. The keto diet, as you can see, is a shortened link to my affiliate product, and we'll take a look at that here, and it's the custom keto diet. And the custom keto diet is on ClickBank that if I make a sale, I get an affiliate commission. Now, I figured out something with Quora is that you can't sell a product in your answer. So after I created my response, I edited it and I put it into a proper format. At the end, in the last paragraph, I would put, if you're interested in learning more about the keto diet or meal plan, check out this product. And I would link the keto diet there. But those answers were getting flagged and removed by the moderators because it violates their terms of service. But what doesn't violate their terms of service is linking words inside of the answer that don't look like you're selling a product. So that's how I got around it. I'm linking asking, every time I mention keto diet, I link to the affiliate product that way. And as you'll also notice at the top here, you have to use real full name. I used the Tiki and my answers got banned and removed, but I still have my old stats. If I want to continue using Quora with this account, I would have to use a real name and a real profile picture. But again, this was just for testing, so keep that in mind. But in just a couple hours in one day answering questions, I got 300 views and a lot of clicks into my affiliate product. I'll show you how many clicks I got in a bit, but for those asking how do I find questions to answer, well, there's two ways. The first way is clicking answer at the top here and then adding topics related to your niche. So as you can see, I have the ketogenic diet, ketosis, nutritional ketosis, low carb diet, and keto diet recipes. Now, whenever a question comes up in that topic or has the keyword keto, ketosis, it will show in my questions feed here for me to answer. Scrolling down, you can see the most recent questions for me and then some questions in related topics that might be of interest as well. A second way to do it is to search Quora for your keyword. So let's put in keto, and then by default, it'll show you the most popular questions related to keto, like this one at the top here, what is the keto diet? But this is not a good question to answer because it was asked a long time ago. It looks like sometime in 2018, but look at all the answers to this question. A lot of people have already answered this question. So if you put an answer here, it would be buried right at the bottom and probably no one would see it. So the better way would be to go down here by time and sort by the past hour. It looks like we have two questions that we could use keto in, but another way to do it is just to search by the past day. So that's a pretty good time period where these questions will still get followers and views and your answer will still get some eyes. So that is what I do. I'd search for topics related to the product I'm selling, answer those questions by the community as an authority figure, and then hyperlink my product inside that answer. So that's all in good. We've seen that our answers gets views, and in the example I showed you, my 11 answers got around 300 views, but does that equal to actual clicks into the website? And the answer is a resounding yes. So we're gonna look into my ClickBank dashboard for that time period just to give an idea of how many clicks those answers received. So since October 30th, you can see there's a giant spike on the first day I answered those questions, and then also it got some hops on the next day, and then a few little hops over time here. You can look for the two products I was selling via this method. The keto product got 83 total clicks from my Quora answers, and I also tried it with the TED woodworking plans, which was a really popular ClickBank product back in the day. Not sure if it's still popular, but that got 105 hops, which means clicks into the website. No sales, but we did get a total of 3 order form impressions, so people did click through and almost order. It is the job of the website to get the sale. It's only the job of us to get clicks into the website. But for a few hours worth of work, I think 188 total clicks is an outstanding result for our efforts. And if we continue this over weeks, months, years, it would definitely result in a bunch of sales. So there's one more thing I want to show you, and that's how to find an affiliate product to sell. So if those of you are watching going, what is ClickBank? How do I find ClickBank products? How do I become an affiliate? Well, it's super easy. This is a website called cbengine.com, and what it is it shows you data and reports of the most popular ClickBank products so you can hop on and sell them yourself. If you know that a product is popular on ClickBank and a lot of people are having success with it, it's a good way to narrow down which products work and which products don't. We want to use products that sell because their landing page has been proven, their copy text has been proven, the product has been proven, and it's been sold numerous times again. So on this website, looking on the left-hand panel, we're gonna click the top gravity. CB is ClickBank, top gravity, and it will sort it for us. And you can see the custom keto diet is still in the top gravity. What gravity is how many affiliates have made sales with this product. So the higher the gravity, the more affiliates have made sales. It's not a direct number. I believe every time an affiliate makes a sale, they get a number between 0.1 and 1, 1 being the most recent and 0.1 being within maybe 12 weeks in the past. So 502 tells me that a lot of affiliates have been making sales. The initial dollar per sale shows you that initial commission rate if you make one purchase. So for the custom keto diet, for every purchase, I'd make $28.21 per sale. So you want to find something with a high gravity and a high initial number sale. So the highest one right now looks like to be a product called Leptitox. And if I click into the website, there's a video here and it looks like it is a weight loss product. So a 5-second hack that kills food cravings, appears to be a supplement. So if I was going to sell this product as an affiliate, I would go back to Quora. I would choose topics like weight loss, supplements, exercise, losing weight, cut down, scale down, any type of keywords or words that people would use in questions. I'd become an expert on what this product is, this Leptitox product, what it offers, what it can do for you if you're overweight, and I would answer those questions and I would link this affiliate product in my answers. So let's do this for one more product here. We're going to go back to the CB engine, do this one, overnight millionaire system, Wesley $1 billion virgin, high gravity, high initial dollar per sale. We're going to click into this link and look at the extra stats that it gives us here. No rebuild total, so it looks like it's a one-time purchase. We're going to visit this website to see what it's about. They got social proof in the bottom here. And if you click in, here's the order form. It looks like this is mental training to get you in the right mindset to be successful in your business. So back on Quora, we search something like making money online, sort by the past day, take a look at some of these questions, use my own knowledge, also use Google to craft a nice response. Whenever I wrote making money, I would hyperlink that text into the overnight millionaire. So let's say we found a product and now we want to get the affiliate link. What we do is we'd head over to clickbank.com, and here you can sign up to an account if you don't have one yet. But let's say we do have an account. We're going to go to my dashboard here and then click the marketplace in the top corner, and we're going to find the overnight millionaire. This is it right here. We're going to click the promote button. We have our account nickname right there. We're going to generate hop links, and we're going to take this link and we're going to paste it into our answers. So whenever someone clicks on that link and then makes a purchase, we get a commission. If you don't want to use that long link, if you think it's gross, you can sign up to something like Bitly. It's completely free. And in this, we'll paste the long link and it will shorten it to a smaller link that we can use in our answers. It doesn't look so much like an advertising link. It's cleaner, and then we can also track who clicks on it and from where. So take this idea and run with it. And let me know how it works in the comments below. I think there's some great potential here, but it may not last forever. I could definitely see Quora cracking down on all affiliate products and not allowing any outside links into their answers. But for now, this still works, and it's a quick and easy way to get some free traffic. Go get it.